Hello. You might have come across to this occasional problem that your Jaguar X300 radio coming up over here will skip volume, like you turning with the knob and nothing's happening, or it happens too much, or it happens in the opposite direction than you would expect. Well, then you have a problem with this. It's called rotational encoder and it got dead. Here is the original one. It is, of course, made in Japan from Alps. The axle is 4 millimeters. I will measure it for you so you don't have to go through the things I did. Oh, 4.7 millimeters. Okay, that's gonna be fun. Have fun with that. 4.7. Yes? Definitely 4.7. Anyway, I took the 6 millimeter and then I have to grind it off on my bench grinder, and then I had to cut the slate with a lot of things. In the end, I went with the grinder, which was reduced by voltage to something less than the usual, and then I was just slowly grinding it like this. Anyway, much better off getting the real dimension, which is these 4.7 millimeters. Then you have to use your soldering skills to get it off. You will probably need some of these, and well, if by now you're not sure what to do, you probably are not up to actually do it. So just learn how to solder in some different video. Then tear this whole thing apart. It can be done with just a Phillips screwdriver. This is a size 1, I believe, PH1, and good luck with that. Then you will just unsolder it, replace it. I don't know. This could be like $2 part. Anyway, it really renders the whole radio unusable. So have fun, and don't throw away your radio head unit, because this is $2, maybe even less. But I know what I'm doing. I already took the radio apart once, so I'm pretty sure where to go and how to disassemble it. And now I'm on my it's been half an hour, including the grinding, so I would say this is a 30-minute job if you know what to do, and about 2 hours job if you're completely clueless. I would just be, how to say it, very gentle with these things, which you really have to unsolder and then bend with pliers, like these. So you see this mark. There will be a piece of metal going through, like this one. Oh, which one? Oh yeah, this one. This is the one. And it's just coming through, and then it's bent. So you have to heat it up, unbend it, fiddle it around a little bit, use some more of this soldering agent I forgot the name for, and just pull it out. And yes, it will be painful, but if you have some sort of general soldering skill, and you will give it some love, you will be able to do it. Then reassemble, put it back, enjoy your now working rotational knob. Oh yeah, one thing, I am not sure with the type of this, but it has to be pushable. That's one thing. And other thing is, there is like a certain amount of steps you have for the 360 degrees turn, and I'm not sure how much is this one. And I will try to count it. So give me some time, or maybe we can count together. If I will screw it up, we can count it in the video. So let's go. I will just do a half turn, and then we will multiply by 2. Come on, focus. Cool, now we are at 0. I will continue in Czech, as it's something I'm more familiar with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Damn. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, we are at 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So, including the first step, which I indexed as 1, now we are at 31, which gives us some sort of 30 steps. I'm not sure how many steps has the other one, and I will count it in my privacy, so when it will be a different amount of steps, I can just, I don't know, like, just relax and try again and get the proper one. I'm not sure what will happen if you will bind different sets of steps. Maybe it will not work at all, or it will do some sort of weird jumps. I have no idea. And I will try to write it in the comments if mine will be different steps. Oh yeah, just for an idea how it will look after the grinding. Yeah, what a beauty! But it does the job. It does the job. One thing you certainly want to be sure of is that you will be able to pull it out. The knob. You have to pull the knob off to get off the face of the... This knob is just pressed on. So before you do anything, you have to pinch it with your fingers like this and pull it off. From the original, easy job. From the customized one, not really sure. Maybe somebody already did it before you, so get ready for some emotions. So this is it, 7 minutes. See you later. Or maybe I hope you won't have to deal with this. Bye.